Dhruv Rathee, your defamatory video spreading false claims of kidnapping and torture by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism and Khalsa is not just misinformation, it's a dangerous attack on Hindu leadership and the community. Backed by the Gujarat High Court's ruling, we expose your lies and demand accountability. Truth will prevail. Your claims regarding alleged torture of children and a man's complaint about his daughters being kidnapped by the SPH and Khalsa are baseless and defamatory. The narrative you promote alleging kidnap cases and illegal confinement by the SPH is not only demonstrably false but also maliciously inflammatory. By resurrecting a discredited allegation that has been thoroughly investigated, judicially dismissed, and legally resolved, you misrepresent it as fact to provoke public outrage, defame Hindu religious leadership, and incite hatred and violence against the Hindu community. Gujarat High Court. Full legal vindication on February 2, 2024. The Gujarat High Court delivered its final judgment unequivocally exonerating the SPH from all accusations of kidnapping and illegal confinement. After personally engaging with the two women, central to these false claims, the Honorable Court ruled, the court is satisfied that both are adults mature enough to understand their well-being and apparently are happy at the place where they are presently proceeding and on their spiritual path. The interaction with the corpora would indicate that they were not in any way in illegal confinement. The court dismissed the case entirely, a conclusive, binding decision by a constitutional court in India. Dhruv, by willfully omitting this definitive judicial ruling from your narrative and presenting a debunked story as truth, you are deliberately deceiving your audience, misrepresenting judicial findings, and actively perpetuating a false narrative against an innocent Hindu spiritual leader. This is not mere misinformation. It constitutes calculated defamation and a dangerous provocation that threatens not only an individual but the broader Hindu community. The false allegations, originally filed in November 2019, were made despite the SPH not having visited Gujarat for over a decade. Prior, a fact that renders the kidnapping claim both logically and legally untenable, as explicitly noted by the Gujarat High Court. Dhruv Rathee, consider this your final notice. You have not just spread misinformation, you have launched a targeted campaign of hate speech, religious defamation and malicious distortion, inciting genocide against the Hindus and its globally recognized leader, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. This is not going to be ignored. We demand the immediate takedown of your video across all platforms, a public, unambiguous apology for spreading false and inflammatory content, a retraction of all misrepresented claims backed by actual court documents and source material. Failing this, we will initiate international legal proceedings. We are prepared to escalate this matter to international courts, human rights commissions, and digital defamation tribunals. This is your opportunity to step back and correct your wrongs. The world is watching, the legal record is clear, and truth will prevail.